All right. Looks like we're live. All right, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. This is part two of building Squid Game's map. So, in the last episode, we've actually built sort of the map. What am I like? Okay. We built sort of the map and started all the actual framework. So, in this episode, we're gonna be working on the actual game work of how everything works, how everything moves around, and everything. So. What's up? What's up? What's up, Losi? What's up, Leo? So, what we got here, start function. So, this series is all about building add-ons, worlds, maps, everything you will need to be a professional add-on developer, or if you just want to download stuff. So, we're just be making this right here. So, we got the start function. So, we want to start at a game start. So, this is what's gonna happen when we start from over here and to go over here. So, I'm gonna show you guys what we have right now. So, let me actually go down here. Let's turn this actual game on. So this is what we're gonna have to do to make it run. So you can see it starts the timer, starts the red light stuff. I don't know why I'm stuck on the ground. Yeah, I can make tutorial on custom commands. Let me just show this up right now. So green light, I can walk. Oh, oops. So we got the timers working, perfect timer. We got green light, red light working perfectly. Oh, gosh. I mean, it works. It works perfectly fine. We've done the testing, making sure this doesn't break. So let's see. Green light. Yep. Goes. Red light. Stop. Okay, yep. See, I'm not moving. We're good. And see, green light. All right. And this is completely random. We got random times where it's saying green light, red light. So let's get. After watching last episode, the video, I could see how much it's been saying green light and red light. That noise is so annoying. So we're gonna turn this off while we're working on this, so you guys don't have to hear that. And basically, yeah. World download, that's gonna be available once we get this done. It'll be on mcbhub.com. So https mcbhub.com right in the chat. So let's get started. So how we actually work on this is we're gonna need, this is the stuff we have right now. So it's all of the functionality and everything we have. So we're going to make a game start function. So let's try to make this. So how we can make a game start is, I guess, let's just make a demo. Let's just make it so we push a button. And if anyone's making a map for Squid Games, please tell me, because I would really enjoy a map, because I really don't want to build this stuff. But if anyone wants to get in and join and help build, that'd be great. If you want to send your name, Xbox name in chat, you can join and I'll get you in the game. So I'm gonna give myself a command block, and we're gonna say just a simple game test. Start. This is gonna be moved later, but let's just have it right here. So we're gonna want this to run the function start. So function modules. I don't think we have it set up yet, but start game. Okay. I think that's what it's titled. Oh, nope, it's game start. Okay. So it'll be game start. Alright, so let's leave the game. We gotta rejoin. You wanna get in, John? Alright, let me invite you. So the reason I'm rejoining is because I have to load those new function files that I just got in. So those new function files were these player start and player TP. So let's check it out. Rejoin the game. Let me send you an invite, John, so you can join in the fun. Alright, so invite to game. Set your Xbox, make sure that is. Yeah, and everyone can join as long as you just send me your Xbox in the chat. So invite to game, there you go. Alright, so game test, game start. This is what we want. So it shouldn't do anything right now, but make sure. Why is it not found? Oh, why'd I put this in countdown? Oh, okay. Slash function game. Looks like maybe Xbox. It's Clapdark. I sent you an invite, Clapdark. So we're gonna make this game start do let's see what we want this to do. Yeah, you can join. So let's make this run a start function. So we're gonna make this run player TP. So let's do a countdown. So we're gonna have a countdown right here. And so we'll make a start. Make the countdown down, and we'll have start. Oh, we gotta make this MC function. MC function. Okay. And this is going to start the timer. So we'll do title at a title game. Let's make something random. Game starting in 3. Okay, let's reload the game. Can I help 3 houses? Yeah, we need all these building stuff done. What version Minecraft? What do you mean, Kaoli? I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right. But, okay, so we got. Let's see if it's all working. I don't know why it's saying that, but function start. It might be that I have the wrong file on here. Looks like we do. So, let's see what's happening. Did I not even... Let's make a new version, just to check. I think this got moved out of development behavior effects. That's probably why. Why is this so long? Jeez. Definitely think it's in there, but... Oh, it is. So, that's weird. Gamertag has Locust. Alright. Let me invite y'all. Let me get this set up first, and then we can get going. I don't know why it's not giving me my function files. Maybe it could be... I'll try to find it anyway. So function... Yeah, like it's not even showing me my modules. So it shows me my modules and then start/game start. See? Like what? That's pretty weird. Oh, we gotta do... Okay. Whoa. Title at a title game starting in 3, 2, 1. So we'll make something like that. That's probably why it's not showing up, because those dots. So we'll do 3, and we'll just do /reload. So let's check it out. Oh, that's not even set up yet, but we should be able to see the function file now. There we go. Alright, game starting in 3. Perfect. So we got this set up. Now we need to make a timer countdown. So it goes to 3, 2, 1, which we can't just put 3, 2, 1 because we got to make a second delay. So now we have to involve some type of timer system into the thing. So let's create a new objective. Scoreboard objectives add timer. Actually, I think we already have a timer dummy. Let's make start countdown. Okay, dummy. All right, and we're gonna add scoreboard players add at e type. I forgot how we select this because it's, I don't know the name of it. Yeah, you can join Minecraft. It should be in the description of the video. It's selecting with, yeah, armor stand name equals tick. Okay, at e type equals armor stand name equals tick. Okay, so with that, Whoa. What just happened down here? I didn't do that. One of y'all did that. Okay. Counting as one. There we go. What is happening down here? Okay. So we're gonna add that armor stand. Start countdown of 1. Probably going to capitalize down and down right here. Okay, so we're gonna start the countdown of 1. So it's basically gonna create a system which we can count. So now, every time this start countdown runs, it will add a start countdown at 1. Instead of using red light or green light in chat, use subtitles. Yeah, that's what I was gonna do with this. You see, I was displaying it on the screen. I don't like that chat thing. That was just all a test, so we don't have to have anything there. So now we'll create countdown system. So this will be the start countdown system. So what we got here, we're gonna test if this armor stand has an objective on it. So we're gonna test if this is true, then we will. So what we have to do is score players test start countdown is between 0, actually 1 and 5. We'll make a 5-second countdown. Okay. And so put down repeat always active. Okay. And there's no objective name start countdown because we haven't actually run the objective. But now we'll create a conditional. Once that's true, we will run our countdown tick. Countdown.mc function. Okay. And this will run. Okay, start countdown. So we're gonna get the objective right here. So what we'll do is execute at E. And then we're gonna get a score. Scores equal start countdown equals, oh, we're gonna have to put this in these. And if this equals 1 or more, actually we'll just test if it equals 5. So if it equals 5, then, oh, we gotta make sure this is set. We'll set this to 5. Okay. And so if this is, if he has 5, it will say title at A, title, game starting in 3. Okay. Ooh, 5 actually. So copy that 5 times. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So let's test this out. Let's reload the game and get into it. So what should be happening is when we run this game start, which we forgot to function modules countdown start. Restart. Start countdown start. Okay. It's gonna run that. And this is going to start the countdown, set it to 5, and if it is 5, then it's gonna run this that many times until, oh, we actually need to do, so this equals 1 or more. Scoreboard, players, remove, start countdown, 1. It's just animation controllers in the add-on. Yeah, he was right. It's just animation controllers in the add-on. I don't know why this is happening down here. I don't know who put that there. So let's just reload. Okay. So now if we go up here and click that button, it should start the game. Let's see. Okay, so it ran the game test start. And it could be a thing with that is not loaded in. Which we could need to make a ticking area. So let's try it again. Let's make a ticking area right here. Can you make this like a realm or what? It's probably gonna be just a map everyone can download. Could make it into a realm, but if you guys want that, I probably will. So we'll create a ticking area right here. Add -32, 5, 16. We'll probably make it all the way over here. We'll make this whole underground a ticking area. Red, light, green, light. So what a ticking area does is make sure everything is always ticking. If you make that in your realm, so many players can play. Yeah, actually, it'd be pretty fun. We can make a realm with this. I bet a lot of players will play because of how big this thing is right now. So we're gonna press start. Should work now. Unless I'm doing something wrong. Set. Is this not working? Oh, it's working. That'd be hella fun. Yeah. Actually, and we make all the games. I'm not just thinking about one of games. But once we get this main stuff set up, it should be pretty easy. Oh, we didn't add the command to run the other thing. Slash function modules start countdown tick. Alright, that's what we're missing. My fault. And there we go. Ooh, did we add? No, we did not. And we need to add delay of 60. Okay, and let's run. Actually, 20. Slash function start. Oh. And will you make a timer? What do you mean timer? I'd play a lot because I think the same games would be boring. Yeah, no, it wouldn't be the same games. That's the whole point. There we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then the game will start right there. So now once we have score equals 0, so now we have that timer. Is there a timer in the movies? No, but we gotta have a timer in here because it wouldn't make sense to not have one. Function. Because how are people gonna keep playing, you know? So countdown will make start. And that will start the TP. So we want to run. That will make this countdown over dot function. Okay, and function count. Countdown over. Okay, so when countdown overruns, that's going to start the actual game. So what we're going to have, we want player TP to run. So function player TP. So that's going to TP the players straight to like that center ground where they can start playing. What were we supposed to build when we joined? It's just going to be all the stuff for the map. Actually, we'll have TPing vary at the start of the countdown. That would make sense. So then they can be frozen. Countdown equals 1 or more. Ooh. Yes, there's a timer buddy made in the last stream. Yeah, so that was all made in the last one. Everything of that old stuff. We're on to actual game test framework now. So just design the area. Yes. Let's actually put this in the tick. So what we can do with that is have this always running. So let's so now while it's always running, we will always be TP'd, which we actually have to make the TP function. So let's make this. So what this TP function is going to do is TP all the players right over here. which we want them to be scrambled out. So how we do that is using spread players, but spread players doesn't work that well because it's going to TP you to the sky. So we got to make a random teleport for each player. So how we do that is we got to pick a random armor stand. So we could do tons of random armor stand points, which I don't really like to do. So yeah, let's do a random scoreboard. So player TP. This will run scoreboard objectives add random TP dummy. Okay. So this will run scoreboard. Actually, yeah, scoreboard players random add s because this is going to be run to the player. So actually, we're going to want inside of start. Oh, I think it's over. Execute at a. Execute at a. So this is going to run it to all the players. So we're going to random add s random TP between 1 and 25. So we'll make 25 different random points where you can teleport. Can you make a video, or have you already done one? Because it always shows player offline. Yeah, I can do that. It's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is delete the old scoreboard and remake a new one. And then you just make a dummy scoreboard to equal those values over. So it's actually pretty simple. I'll actually probably make an add-on where you guys can download that. And then you can always have that running in your world, so you never have to worry about it. Skull Soldier. Just made a texture, by the way. Continued. So, oh, you made the soldier texture? Oh, dope. I want to see that. So we'll have randomizes TP point. Okay, so now we're gonna make some executes. So we're gonna execute as s. Scores equal. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Random TP equals 1. So if random TP equals 1, we'll TP him to a 1 coordinate. So let's pick some coordinates we want him to TP to. So we'll make it probably. Oh. Oh, I should have made the houses first. That would have made sense. Then we can TP all the players in the houses. Yeah, I can invite you all right now, but I'm probably gonna be keep leaving and rejoining, so it wouldn't make too much sense. Structure block. But I really need this map built, so because the map's a big thing. So we can get once we get the map built, there's a lot of good things about that. So what I'm doing right here is I'm using a structure block to actually copy this, so I don't have to build it again. So you can see I just copied that right in the structure block. So we're gonna name this house. Save that, and now we can just do Control X. So we'll move this. So there's supposed to be 3 houses. So let's place that one right here. Actually, probably make that right here. That's good. Scoot that over a little bit more. So right there. Okay. And we'll load house. Okay. And now it's perfectly the complete same. And we'll probably make one more right here. And right here. That's good. Alright, and we'll load that. So now we have the 3 houses done. So now we can make our starter functions. Do you know what the jigsaw is for? The jigsaw is actually a. Oh, whoa! I actually should know these perfectly. So the jigsaw is completely useless in Minecraft Bedrock because I don't know why the devs just added it, but added no functionality for it. But what it's used for in Java is you can load actual pre-made like villages. So it wouldn't be kind of pre-made. It'd be like completely randomized. So you know how when you generate a world and it generates always a random village? So that is all basically jigsaw blocks. Jigsaw blocks are used to do that. Well, the functionality of how jigsaw blocks work. So, so what they do is you can press a button and enter in, like, say you want to generate a village. So you'll generate a randomly generated village, just how maps work, or just how realms load. So it's kind of useful for like map builders, where they would say they want to build a custom map. But not really useful to just like it's really not that useful. That's what I'm trying to say. So we got 4 points right here. So what I was doing right there is we can see we got 11. So we want 11 to 8. So these are the coordinates we want for one house. So that'd be 4, and then this one will be -5 to -8. So we'll have -5 to -8. Okay. And then last coordinates would be -21 to -24. -21 to -24. So basically what this is, because now you can see I have 3 coordinates in between. So -23, 2, oh, actually, yeah. And now we have 8, 7, 6. So these are all the random coordinates a player can be TP'd to. So now we've listed out all the coordinates below. So we have 10, 9, 8. So we got 3 different houses, 4 different points for each house. Well, actually, we probably could use Z too. So we could step them back. I wouldn't be fair. Yeah, it's fine. That's fine. That's enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You could also add a texture pack to use a Squid Game staff, and then have a texture pack replace the leather armor. Or you could put it on the armor stands and put them in the doors. Oh, I'll probably be adding custom entities for this, which we can make. If someone has the Squid Game texture, that would actually be great. TPS. I don't know if anyone's made it or if you found it online at all, because I'm probably gonna be using that for the actual entities. So we're gonna make custom entities, and each of those guys are gonna have custom functionality. So they can actually do stuff, which I'll make an AI built in for them, which they can sort of um they basically able to shoot you. But like we gotta make so it doesn't just shoot you randomly. So it's gonna have to be like very customized as a sort. I got lost. But oh, it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we'll make custom entities. Could I make the Squid Games texture? Yeah, make the Squid Games texture. We need that for like a player file. That's gonna be very useful. Because we also need the ooh, I forgot we need the player skins. So can someone make a player skins file? So we need someone to so we can just make like the armor for them, and the armor will be their thing. Oh, and then I could have custom names above their head for their ID. That actually be pretty cool. It's possible you can make the chest UI like a Hypixel where you use the game selector. The chest UI like from Hypixel. What? You say it again? Yeah, we got 12. Alright, 1 to 12. And this should be our random player TP. So let's check it out. Reload. Slash function random TP. No, player TP. Alright, look. Now we've been TP'd to random spots every time. Every time you run this, you'll get a random spot. It's like we're using an item instead of a NPC GUI. It's like opening a chest probability. Oh, okay. So let's test this completely, and it should run the start. Let's see how it happens. Did I still not add down there? Alright, game start runs the countdown start. And that will run that tick to countdown, and that should run. Okay, so oh, HUD screen that Jason. Yeah, that's how you use custom like NPCs and stuff. If that's what you're asking. Why isn't this working? Function start. Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where'd the armor stand go? Where the Where'd the guy go? Said he's here. Um. Hmm. That's weird. So game starting in 1. Score 0 is not ranged to 1 to 5. What's happening here? Countdown over. Should be 0. Yeah, score 0 is not range. So, run functions start countdown over. Oh, we actually haven't reloaded the game, so that's probably why it's not working. TP on the armor stand. Yeah, I probably should do that. Let me check that out. How long have you been streaming? 31 minutes? Alright. Uh, oh, it's TPing the armor stand. But I did A. That's weird. Why are these guys getting TP'd? Why is there 2 of them? Alright, yeah, this means the game started. And I don't know why the armor stand is getting TP'd. Can you invite Magic Row when you're inviting people? Yeah. So I don't know why player TP is getting spawned. So let's go over it. Objectives. Let's play sidebar player. So this guy has a random TP score. That's weird. Because that function never gets ran to the person. Module start countdown over. That is being run to the entity, but that never gets ran. Hmm. Let's see if that TP's the armor stand. Oh. Okay. It could have just been a bug. Oh, it's not. Huh. Oh! I think that's in here. No. I added that somewhere. Where did I add that? Can you invite? Okay. Y'all remember where I added that at? I think it was somewhere in here. We got module countdown over, but I never. I think this is the only time I mentioned player TP. Only an over. Oh, I'm mentioning a tick. Why? Oh, that's not good. There we go. Damn it. Okay. Function game start. Okay, starting at 5, 4. Probably shouldn't do that. I thought that was gonna be a good idea. So we need the actual the worker skin, and we also need the player's skin. What do you want me to make a skin? Oh yeah. So do that. Um, that was actually a pretty bad idea. I don't like that. I think we'll just run this every time the command runs through. But we need it so they can't move. So, um, and then we'll run. Oh yeah, we'll run this. We'll run this once right on the start. Okay, let's reload. Function game start. So now I can't move. Make sure. Okay, that's actually perfect. And it TPs you one last time. Just make sure you haven't broken out. All right, and then we'll do game roll. Send command block feedback false. Okay, so let's make this facing a direction. That's actually really annoying. Tick. Facing. Facing these coordinates. -8, 16, 28. Okay. Well, what the hell? What happened? Oh, you can't do add. What do you want me to make? Choose coordinates facing. Make that work. There we go. Now you can't move. Perfect. Alright, that actually looks good. So we'll make that. I think you can still move and be picked. Actually, no, you can't move. You completely can't move. So then we'll say green light. Okay, so this will run over, and it will run. Alright, play begin. Oh, it's completely spelled wrong. Alright, this will start so we can play. And we want... How do we... Okay, so how is this thing running in the beginning with red light, green light? I think over here. What's my coordinates? Alright, there we go. When did you share it? I haven't shared this yet. It's not out. But okay, so how does this work? Set at s tick. So that's when tick equals 20. Oh, because this is running every tick. Okay, and... Okay, so what is running the red light, green light? So that's in kid, green light, on green light, timer. This module's kid switch. Okay, so who's running switch? Is that on countdown? Jeez. Core players remove at s time 1. When did you share it? So who's running switch? It's on timer. Okay, that's on timer. And timer is being ran by second. Every time time... Oh no, it's every time this thing's run. Alright, so every time it's running switch. Okay, so we just have to make it start this. Which, how we can do that is right down here in the countdown. So if we get the countdown to not run, unless the game is started. Shall be right here. Alright, and then we'll tag this armor stand game equals running. Okay, that works. So on play begin. Yeah, I know, it's terrible. This is how map making works, so type armor stand name equals tick count equals 1. Add a game running. I think that's what the tag is. Yep. Okay, so this is being ran Right when the play begins. So that's when countdown over. Countdown over. No, that's on game begin. Game. Is there a last one? What do you mean last one? Play begin, we run game running, and then game. It's also make / add more custom / commands in chat. No, we cannot add more / commands in chat. Like / commands we can't do. We can do like equal sign spawn or like custom prefixes. We just can't do / because it messes up with Minecraft's pre-built stuff. But I definitely think it's coming in the future. It seems like a possibility. You got 3 skins, okay. Yeah, you can use like anything. So we can do like dot, exclamation mark, equal sign. It doesn't matter. Anything you want, you just can't use /. Alright, so let's run the start function. Alright, game starting 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, that started soon. Why'd countdown over get ran before it should? Oh, probably should do that when it's 0. Alright, let's check this out again. Oh, because this is before it removes it. That makes sense. 0. Alright, reload, remove the tag, and let's go. Bro, I put 3 links in chat, but oh, got deleted. Bedrock doesn't have / trigger. It's green light. So we need to start that timer back up too. So let's do that. Kind of sucks how Bedrock doesn't have / trigger. Forgot what / trigger do? Isn't that run events? Jeez. Not allows players to modify their own scoreboard values under tight controlled conditions. Why would you want that? Sounds terrible. It modifies a scoreboard objective with a trigger condition. Allows non-upgraded players to modify their own scoreboard objectives under tightly controlled conditions. It's like running a function, but it's created in the game and it's only on Java. Oh. Countdown. That'll be up here. Second. What was the problem last time? I think I fixed that. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, play. Should we add that another TP after? Oh, and we need to make switch default to 1. Play begin. So we need to set this straight to 0. Dang, she's being feisty with it. We're gonna make actually a custom entity for her, so we can actually see a person turn around and stuff. That'd be cool. All right, so there we go. Restarts back at top. It says green light. Yeah. All right, so now that's all good. We gotta make finish line and then count players, see how many are left and when we need to end the game. So how we end the game is we gotta test how many people are actually playing. So okay, so we'll make an in-game thing. So how can we count players? So we'll count all players between these coordinates. Oh, actually that won't work. Let's think. So how we can do this? Oh, we can just end the game if I guess yeah, we should have a player online tracker. So how many people are actually still in the game. So we'll do like coordinates from 18, 9, 28 to all the way back here. And then we can just check how many people are online. I mean actually playing. That haven't crossed the finish line. Alright. Yeah, so let's do that. And then we can test how many people are actually online. So we'll do down here tick so execute armor stand, and then we need to test if the game is running. Tag equals game running. Okay, and if it is, then we can execute at A. X equals, oh okay, so let's just use starting X, which is -18, 9. Yeah. Alright, I'm turning this off. Alright, so we need X equals 18, 18, 9, Y equals 9, Z equals 28. Okay, and this is about, alright, 19 to -32. So what's -32 minus 18? -32 minus 18. which is negative 50. Okay, so that means it will be a dx of 50. So if you guys don't know what that is, just go watch my target selectors video, where you can see how all that works. So we're gonna have dx. That means it's gonna be selecting from that coordinate all the way over here, and now from 18 to, well, actually we'll get to our z coordinate. So we'll get from right here to 125. So that's from 28 to 125. So we'll do 125 minus 28. So 125 minus 28 is 97. So that means we have a dz of 97. And then we get that last coordinate, which was 35. So we do 35 minus 9. 35 minus 9, which is 26. So now we have a dy of 26. So that's just selecting a huge box between that first coordinate all the way to my last coordinate. So that means it's selecting all these players in here. So we're going to execute all those players, and then for each one of those, we'll add +1 to the scoreboard value. So scoreboard players add playing game. Okay, we'll add this selector. Playing game 1. So this is going to add, this is just going to count how many people are in the game. So we're going to make a new objective called playing game. And alright, so now we have a counter for how many people are in the game, which is just this score right here. So we've counted now all the players in the game, which is there. So now we can test if execute this armor stand. So if playing games scores equal, if playing game is greater than 1, then we will actually we'll just test if it's 0. If it's 0, then we can run function. Let's say end. So let's make an end thing. Modules, new folder, end. Okay, end slash game ended. We'll have alright, function, and then we'll run end. Where's end? Modules. Alright, function modules game ended. Alright, so that's gonna end the game once there's no players left. Yes, it's gonna be posted. So game ended. Now we're gonna remove that armor stand. So we're gonna execute that, and it's just gonna make sure that it was the right score. Make sure that was run, and we'll tag at s remove game and game running. So now game is over. So let's check it out. We're going to reload the game. This should be a perfect working system. Let's see if I did it first try. Alright. Let's go down here. Start the game. 5, 4, 3, 2, Alright, timer starts. Green light. So we can actually check how many players are playing. Let's play sidebar. Game. Playing game. Whoa! Oh, we forgot to reset back. Oops. Yeah, we probably want to reset the score back right after. Score players set playing game to 0. So that's just gonna reset it back just to make sure this. Alright, so now it should track it. It says 0. Well, we won't actually be able to notice it because it's too fast for us. But I am there. I should be playing. And once I pass this, the game should end. Let's see. Yep, game ended. Perfect. Alright, that's exactly what we wanted. Alright, so we have a perfect start, game, and end. So now we can do anything we want with all this function. We have all the functionality, but say I'm walking back in here. Oh, I actually won't do anything. Okay. There we go. So that means all players across the finish line, which is end. So now let's make it what happens when the timer finishes. We haven't done anything for that. So we have tick, that's in countdown, second. So timer actually ever equals 0. We haven't done anything for that. So if time is equal to 0, it's bad news. So that means we run function, game ended. Okay. So now the game will end if the timer reaches 0. Should we have that after the remotion? Because it won't actually run again. Yeah, we'll have that after. Yeah, because this actually won't ever run. Okay, so let's do that. Slash reload. Alright, and we'll start the game over here. Oh, so the timer finishes. There could be a little saying, yeah, we'll say something in chat. So game starting. Okay, and let's scoreboard players set, i.e. type equals understand. Time. Let's set it to 3, just to speed this up. 2, 1. Alright, game ended. Perfect. That's what we wanted. Alright, perfect. We have a start, game, end. Everything should be done with that. So now, what should it say when we end? So let's say like title at a we'll change all this stuff later. Game ended. Okay, here we go. Alright, yeah, you want to learn how to make entities. That's the next. So we'll start entities probably in the next episode. So that's probably gonna end it. Let's check this one last time. Set this back to 0. I mean 3, 2, 1. Game ended. Perfect. So why do we not use score, name, objective? Why? Where's that at? You mean a timer? In the countdown? Is that what you're talking about? In here? Noises Elm? Uh, okay. Yeah, okay. So because we need to display, well, we could use that, but you see how it always is going to be changing. We can't just say 120 because 120 is equal to 2 minutes. 119 is equal to 159. So how could you do that? We could make some objectives. I mean, operations and stuff, but like there's no point. I just use a generator for this. Yeah, I probably could have. But I don't. We just use a generator, so it didn't really take any time. But we just made a generator to write that all out. Entities, yeah. So you make me a map. Yeah, message me on Discord if any of you guys want to help out. This will be the end for this episode, but I'll probably next episode we'll be working on entities. We'll be working on the actual guys for all the workings, and we'll work on this big girl. That's probably the first thing we'll do. We'll work on the girl, so where she turns around, where it's red light. That actually be pretty cool. I recommend the omelet to post in there so I can download it. What is omelet? I've been seeing that everywhere, but it'll just be in the Discord. Make sure to join the Discord. Let me put the link in the comments. That'll be the best place you can reach me. I will respond to you there. And make sure to check out MCB Hub. That's where you'll be able to download this add-on and all the other crazy cool things. Yep, spin that, and there you go. So that's how you join the Discord. Make sure to join that, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.